Meaning of fish hook.
Fish hook.
Fish hook.
Fish hook.
Fish hook. A fish hook is a tool used to catch fish. It consists of a curved piece of metal with a sharp point and barb on one end and a loop or eyelet on the other end for attaching fishing line. The fish hook is designed to puncture the fish's mouth or throat as bait is swallowed, making it difficult for the fish to escape. Fish hooks come in various sizes, shapes, and materials to suit different types of fish and fishing techniques. Overall, fish hooks are essential tools for any angler looking to catch fish.